Sentence patterns. Sato-san wa asoko ni imasu. Miss Sato is over there. Indicates the location of Miss Sato. Chikui no ui ni shashin ga arimasu. There is a photo on the desk. Describes the presence of a photo on the top of a desk. Watashi no kazoku wa New York ni imasu. My family is in New York. States that the location of the speaker's family. Tokyo Disneyland wa Chiba-ken ni arimasu. Tokyo Disneyland is in Chiba Prefecture. Indicates that Tokyo Disneyland is located in Chiba Prefecture. Asoko ni iro ano otoko no hito wa dare desu ka? You see that man over there? Who is that? A question asking for the identity of a man seen at a distance. Kare wa IMC no Matsumoto-san desu. He is Mr. Matsumoto of IMC. Identifies the man as Mr. Matsumoto who works at IMC. Koko no chikaku ni denwa wa arimasu ka? Is there a telephone near here? An inquiry about the presence of a telephone nearby. Hai, asoko ni arimasu. Yes, it is over there. Affirmative response indicating the location of the telephone. Niwa niwa dare ga imasu ka? Who is in the garden? Queries about who is in the garden. Dare mo imasen. Neko ga imasu. Nobody is. There is a cat. Indicates that no person in the garden, only a cat. What is in the box? Hako no naka ni nani ga arimasu ka? What is there in the box? This is a general inquiry about the contents or contents of a box. Furo itigami to shashi nado ga arimasu. There are old letters and photos and so on. This response lists specific items found in the box, indicating a variety of items including old letters and photos. Where is Mr. Miller? Mira-san wa doko ni imasu ka? Where is Mr. Miller? This question asks for the specific location of a person named Mr. Miller. Kaigetsu ni imasu. He is in the meeting room. The response indicates that Mr. Miller is located in the meeting room. Where is the post office? Yubenkyoku wa doko desu ka? An inquiry about the location of the post office relative to nearby landmarks. Eke no chikaku, genko no mae ni arimasu. It is near the station. It is in front of the bank. It provides specific details about the post office's location, stating it's near the station and in front of the bank. Sumimasen, Yunyo ya Sutowa wa doko desu ka? Excuse me, where is the Yunyo-ya store? The woman is politely asking for directions to the Yunyo-ya store. Yunyo-ya suto wa? Asoko ni aru shiroi tatemono desu yo. Misi wa sono tatemono no naka ni arimasu. Yunyo-ya store? Is that white building over there? The store is inside that building. Miller confirms the location of the Yunyo-ya store and specifies that it is inside a white building, pointing out its exact location. Wakarimashita. Arigatou gozaimasu. Good. Thank you very much. The woman acknowledges the information and expresses her gratitude for the directions. Iie, no problem. Miller responds modestly, indicating that the help provided was not a bother. Do you have chili sauce in the store? この店にチリソースはありますか? Do you have chili sauce in the store? Inquiring about the availability of chili sauce in the store. Yes, there is a spice corner on the right-hand side at the back. Chili sauce is on the second rack from the bottom. はい。後ろの右側にスパイスコーナーがあります。チェリーソースは下からにな番目の棚にあります。Yes, there is a spice corner on the right-hand side at the back. Chili sauce in the second rack from the bottom. It provides specific directions to find the chili sauce within the store. Inside the house, vocabulary. Genkan, entrance hall. The genkan is the entryway to a Japanese home where shoes are removed and often stored. Toire, toilet, refers to the restroom or bathroom, specifically the toilet area. Furoba, bathroom, the area where the bath is located, separate from the toilet in traditional Japanese homes. Senmenju, washroom, a room for washing hands and face, often containing a sink and mirror. Daidokoro, kitchen, the place where meals are prepared and cooked. Shukudu, dining room, the room where meals are eaten. Ima, living room, the main living area of the house, used for relaxing and entertaining. Shanshatsu, bedroom, the room where people sleep. Roka, hallway, the corridor or passage that connects different rooms. Veranda, balcony, an outdoor space attached to the house, often used for drying clothes or enjoying the view. To use a Japanese bath. Wash and rinse yourself in the tiled area before getting in the bath. Tairo no kabe de jibu no arai nagara. Oforo ni hairo mai ni jibu no kirei ni suru. Before entering the bath, it is customary to thoroughly clean your body outside of the bath to keep the bath water clean. Soap and shampoo should never be used in the bath. The bath is for soaking and relaxing. Second to shampoo wa furo de tsukawa nai yo ni. Ufuro wa shinsen to relaxu no tame no mono desu. Soap and shampoo are used outside the bath. The bath itself is meant for soaking and relaxation. When you get out of the bath, you don't drain the water as someone else may wish to use it. Put a cover in the bath. Oforo kara dete mizu o nagasajo ni hoka no hito ga tsukau kamoshirenai no de futa o shimasu. The bath water is often shared among family members. After using the bath, cover it to keep the water warm for the next person. How to use the toilet. Japanese style. Nihon shiki no toire. Traditional Japanese toilets are squat toilets. Users squat over the toilet rather than sitting. Western style. Seiyo shiki no toire. Western style toilets are the standard sit-down type, familiar to those from many other countries. Inside the house. Entrance hall, toilet, bathroom, washroom, kitchen, dining room, living room, bedroom, hallway, balcony. How to use a Japanese bath. First, wash and rinse yourself in the tiled area before getting in the bath. 2. Soap and shampoo should never be used in the bath. The bath is for soaking and relaxing. 3. When you get out of the bath, you don't drain the water as someone else may wish to use it. Put a cover on the bath. How to use the toilet, Japanese style and Western style. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Mata ne!